So, hello, everyone. I'm Marco Ponzetti from the University of L'Aquila, Italy, and I'm a researcher in the field of extracellular vesicles in bone and cancer. And I'm an editor at HubLE. And today I'm joined by Kara Anderson from Deakin University School of Medicine, who presented fantastic work at the ANZ BMS 2021. And so, Kara, welcome to this HubLE interview. Do you want to tell us something about what you presented?
Thanks, Marco. So I presented a couple of things at this year's conference, one for me and one for my supervisor. But the abstract that I presented on my behalf was looking at trabecular bone score, which is a measure of bone microarchitecture, and its association with both fracture and refracture in a population sample of adults.
Mm-hmm. So what are the key findings of your work?
Yeah, so the key findings here were that when trabecular bone score was low, our participants were more likely to sustain a refracture after a low trauma fracture, and this was independent of BMD.
That's very, very interesting. What do you think the bigger picture will be, the larger implications of your findings?
Yeah, so we're hopeful that this will be able to be used to better indicate which people need treatment and who are going to go on to sustain this fracture, really target these anti-fracture prevention therapies. Because at the moment, there's just poor discrimination of who's going to go on to sustain a fracture.
Mm-hmm. That's fantastic. Does this this kind of approach work also for different metabolic diseases?
Yeah, this kind of statistical approach definitely can be applied to other metabolic diseases or even just non-communicable diseases in general. And I'd really like to see, like we've been doing some work in that space around mental health disorders and other diseases, and I think it has a lot of scope.
So that's very important work you're doing. So thank you. What do you think is next for you in your career?
Yeah, so next up for me, I've just submitted my PhD. I'm kind of in that limbo period under examination, and I'm hoping to get grants to continue my funding soon. But yeah, I guess that's hopefully someone will fund me to keep working.
Yeah, that's that's all our hopes. That's our lives. Go on, keep crunching. You're doing a great job, and thank you for being with HubLE today.
No worries. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.